Uh, Hello everyone. You are all welcome to lecture number 1141. And today's topic is about the multiple application of different technologies to produce humanoid. And once I am talking of humanoid, actually they are robot, and those robots they have multiple uh, application and lot of different artificial intelligence technologies are used to produce these ones. And these artificial intelligence technologies are, I have already told you, there are different branches and domains like deep learning, machine learning, computer vision, big data, deep learning, and then natural language processing. All are combined together. Only then we are producing robots like human being which can mimic humans, and we call them humanoid. And this first humanoid in the world was produced, that was in the year 2016. And after that, lot of researches are done, and still it is going on. And the first humanoid teacher, robot teacher, is produced by Indians. And that robot teacher, the main is, that is SHALU, that is SHALU, SHALU. And that SHALU is an Indian humanoid teacher which was produced in 2021. And this teacher is capable of teaching 6 subjects in 47 languages. That is where different and multiple branches of artificial intelligence are involved. That this Indian humanoid SHALU, that his name is SHALU. So this SHALU teacher, one teacher is teaching 6 subjects and in 47 languages. And the price of this SHALU humanoid teacher in India, if it is in Indian currency, is rupees 50,000. And 50,000, if I convert in naira, is very poor value, because now $1 is equal to 1,000 naira. So if it is converted into Indian currency, it will be 500,000. In 500,000, you can get a humanoid teacher from India to teach 6 subjects. It can be biology, chemistry, math, physics, geology, botany, zoology, and at the same time in 46 languages: Spanish, English, Urdu, Arabic, Hindi, whatever, Japanese, Chinese. So this is the beauty of different domains or branches of artificial intelligence technology. And the advantage is that in India already they are lecturing, and they are newscasters. They are sitting and delivering the news, and you will not understand whether it is original or humanoid. I am just showing one example.
And a half decade ago. In these 25
Now this is the Indian humanoid newscaster who is delivering news in the newsroom, and very clear, and nobody can understand that this is humanoid. She looks like very clear human being, and her all action, expression and everything looks like original human being, but actually it is humanoid. And like this humanoid, in India there are thousands produced. So here you can see 2 humanoids, and these humanoids, they are beautiful girls, female, and they are produced on demand. And today India is producing on demand all type of beauties: African, Arabian, Indian, Sri Lankan, American, Spanish, all. It is on demand. And these humanoids, they are working as a domestic servant. They are actually robot with multiple artificial intelligence technologies with them.
John,
This is Chinese
Tell that to me.
humanoid produced by China, and the cost of this humanoid is little bit cheaper, and she can also talk in different languages and with all human expression, and everything is shown here. So you have seen just few humanoids, and they are exactly, you cannot distinguish whether, I mean, on once they are reading the news in newsroom, these robotics humanoids, believe me, I mean, all expression, blinking of eye, everything is smiling, and emotion is given at different news, sad news, good news, bad news, just like exactly human being. Unless it is told, since I told you about this clip of Indian news reader, you would have not believed that this lady is female Indian humanoid who is reading the news, or that Japanese, or that Sophia was produced in 2016. And the advantage of this humanoid produced by all these different multiple use of different branches or domains of artificial intelligence is that we will not be having any problem of sickness, leave, cheating, or any type of action or misbehavior or indiscipline. They are programmed, they will follow your instruction, they will recognize your face, and everything will be done. And that's why nowadays, wherever we are talking of anything smart home, means it is all under artificial intelligence control. Smart log means it is all artificial intelligence log that can only recognize your computer vision image, and according to that it will act. And these humanoid robots, either female outlook or male outlook, they will be programmed in such a way with artificial intelligence technologies that only they will follow your instructions. And these are all very, very, I can say, effective in as a domestic worker and also as a industrial workers. And now India has started producing the industrial robot humanoids. And industrial robot humanoids, they are a little bit complex and they are costly because they require a special skill. So if suppose you want any humanoid robot to produce some plastic item, okay, you will get in maybe 15,000 rupees. Someone, if you are asking that, no, I want one humanoid robot that should assemble the car, that may cost 200,000 Indian currency, it may cost 1 million naira. If suppose you want one humanoid which is very expert in petroleum product manufacturing, like different industrial skills, on that basis their prices are there, and they are on the basis of data, on the basis of natural language processing, big data processing, purification of data, machine learning, deep learning, they are all perfect to deliver their work. So here I have given these examples. Number one, that is called data mining. And data mining means, in a very simple language I can say, that is lot of or large amount of data you have, and those data, they are crude, they are not pure, they are have to be extracted. Extraction means you have to purify it. And the best example, in the same way like gold, impure gold in the form of rock, that is raw gold. In the same way it is raw data. and it is mining, extracted, purified, on only then it is useful. That is the meaning of data mining. It is a process of finding potentially useful pattern from huge data set, and it is the process of extracting data from a large set of from any crude or that is raw data. There are 4 stages of data mining. Number 1, that is called data cleaning process. Number 2, data modeling and evaluation process. Number 3, data exploration and visualization process. And number 4 is maintenance and deployment of data. So all this data processing under that is data scientists or data engineers. They are capable of doing the data mining. Here I have told you in the very beginning that for artificial intelligence, data processing, data storage and purification of data mining, deep learning is all just like engine of a car. Without engine, car cannot move. In the same way, without data, without purification, without mining of the data, your artificial intelligence technologies, there are multiple technologies, they cannot move. So to understand the data science is very, very important today. Number 2, big data. When we are talking about big data, it is associated with social media, the Facebook, WhatsApp, or lot of LinkedIn, and where every day millions and millions of data are coming, and also in business sector, in industries. So that is called big data, and it is very difficult to handle. So without artificial intelligence, you cannot handle big data. So big data, it is the branch of artificial technology which refers to huge amount of data, and that which is regularly growing at an exponential rate. For example, data of social media, posts, pictures, responses and users. Very clear, big data cannot be handled without artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a must. Otherwise, you cannot handle. Then next one is, that is computer vision. This computer vision plays very important role nowadays in Facebook and lot of where image formation is there and your image data is to be stored, to be recovered. Lot of manipulation of your photo, your videos, all are monitored by this artificial intelligence technology that is called computer vision. Computer vision is a branch of artificial technology trains computers to interpret and understand the visual world. So machine is trained, your computer is trained to understand the visual world. What type of audio is coming, what type of photographs are there, and how to store them in segments. That is very, very important part, that is called computer vision, and they are trained in visual world by using digital images from cameras and videos. Then this computer vision can accurately identify and classify objects and then react to that. For example, AI powered lock system. I have already told you in the beginning. AI powered lock system means that lock is controlled by data of artificial intelligence, and no other person can open it. Even if it is broken, it will not allow. It will send you out because it is all programmed by artificial intelligence technology that is called AI powered lock system. And the other one is, that is under computer vision, is called deep face recognition. Nowadays deep face recognition is widely used as the digital technology of imaging or image formation of photos in Facebook in the form of data storage. So they are keeping lot of images in millions and millions, and it can be reproduced on demand. And that's why nowadays our biometric is there. Biometric is actually your computer vision. That data is stored. So in any part of the world, that data what is stored, it will create the same image like what I am anywhere when that code is played. So these are all very very important different technologies of artificial intelligence. So number 4 is that is natural language processing. Here it is very important to have computer as well as natural speech and their recognition. And with this processing, that is natural language processing with virtual, we are inserting in latest robots. They are known as humanoids. So here number 4, natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing is the branch of artificial technology with interaction between computers and human language. Here it is the interaction of computer language and natural language, and then you will get the response just like Alexa. If you ask anything, you give the command, she will reply to you. Whatever question you will ask, the computer, that is virtual one, that will reply to natural language, that is human beings. Computers and human languages, in particular, how to program computers to process and analyze large amount of natural language data. So whatever we are talking, even I am lecturing, it has lot of hundreds and thousands of data, and that data can be stored and can be reproduced. That is input and output. Number, that is A, is that is natural language understanding. So there are two subsets. One is natural language understanding, and second one is natural language generation. So this help a machine to recognize natural speech. That computer or the machine is recognizing our natural language. That is called understanding of the natural language. Just like, for example, we instruct Google Assistant or Siri in our speech and understanding its meaning. B, natural language generation. This branch of intelligent technology, artificial intelligence, AI technology, this branch of artificial intelligence technology help in producing a response in natural language by virtual assistant. We call it virtual assistant. It will help like Google Assistant, like Cortana and Siri. It is closely related to automated speech recognition, that is called ASR, automated speech recognition, and it will be automatically recognizing. C, today's chatbot and virtual assistants such as Alexa, Siri are based on natural language processing, that is called NLP, as their key technology. So now it is about Indian humanoid robot. The name is SHALU, and here in Nigeria also Salisu and Malam Saleh is very common name. So it's very much matching. That is robot teacher SHALU produced by Indians. The Indian humanoid robot named SHALU can converse in 47 languages, all thanks to NLP, that is natural language processing. With the help of natural language processing, artificial technology, we could produce, Indians, the SHALU teacher, the robot teacher. And SHALU is the world's first robot teacher produced by Indians. It is the first one. After that, people are trying. Produced by India, it was in 2021. To teach more than 6 subjects. At a time, it can teach 6 subjects in 47 different languages. And presently, she is teaching from primary classes 6 to secondary classes O and A level in Mumbai city, India. The cost of this, they are not only Mumbai city. Now I came to know last week that they are in different cities also. They started using, like Bangalore, like Hyderabad. But first they started this robot teachers. It was in Mumbai city. And the cost of this teacher is Indian rupees, rupees 50,000. If I convert with in Naira, 1,000 Naira is equal to $1, then it will become 500,000 Naira. But it's not big deal if you are getting one teacher who can teach 6 subjects in different languages without sickness, without holiday, without any problem, without any indiscipline, not obeying is good, and without any sickness, holidays, and no electronic waste. It took 3 years to build SHALU Indian teacher robot. Now India has started producing industrial robots, and these industrial robots, they are highly skilled in different industries. These are very interesting and complex job of robotics combined with artificial intelligence technology, more especially the NLP, that is natural language processing is responsible. Now India has started industrial robots, and the cost depends upon the type of industrial skills. Roughly it may go from rupees 200,000 to 500,000. The software used and skills determine the cost of the industrial robot. What type of software is used and of what skill you want. That is going to determine the cost of the industrial robot. So last year, when I went for my medical checkup in India, I saw one shop of a robot, humanoid. So I went and asked one humanoid. They said very reasonable domestic servant. It was Indian rupees 20,000. So I thought of purchasing, but again there was big question and confusion that if I am landing at Abuja airport, I don't know how I am going to justify the immigration of that humanoid. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture, and please be ready to accept all the technological changes and challenges. If you fail to accept the changes of the new technologies, you are out from the race. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.